So I got my Honda mower back after a new cylinder and piston and repairing it, and I tried going this little section right here in the front yard just to test it out and get it going today. Now let's shut it off and see if I can start it again. Alright, we'll move that up to fast. I'll see if I can hold this and pull the cord. Get it on compression. Oh, it's about pulled it back out of my hands again. Let's try it one more time. Get it on. Oh, nope. Compression release is not working. Can't get it started. Nope. Well, gotta go back.